Today we're working on being able to find the area and the perimeter. So the first one we're going to do is, for example 1, we're going to find the area. And to find the area, we're going to multiply these two numbers. This one says that there are 1, 2, 3 boxes going down. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes going across. So we would write 3 times 4 equals 12, and we'll call it square units. On the second one right here, we're going to do the exact same thing to find the area. We're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply 2 times 6, and 2 times 6 equals 12. Our third example, we have a rectangle here that is 1 by 12. So to find the area, we're going to multiply 1 times 12, and that equals 12. So to find the area, all we're doing is counting the squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or we find it's a lot faster to multiply and say 3 times 4 equals 12. When we label it, we can label it as square units because this hasn't really been identified as inches or feet, so we're going to call it units. The next step in today's assignment is to find the perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around. So this is saying it's 4 along this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, this is the same as that. So we're going to label this as 4. We know that this is the same as the left side, so we're going to label this as 3. To find the perimeter, we add those numbers going around. So it's 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 equals 14. And we would just call it units at that point. For number 2, we have 6 right here. And if this is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we can tell that that's the same. So this is 6. If this is 2 right here, the other side will be 2. So to find the perimeter, we're going to add 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16. And we're going to call that 16 units in length. The last one, we counted this earlier as 12. So down below, this side is 12. This side over here is 1, so over here is 1. So to find the perimeter, it would be 12 plus 12 plus 1 plus 1. 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 1 is 25, plus 1 is 26. And we would call that 26 units in length. So the first one we showed today was to show how to find the area. The second one was to find the perimeter. And the thing that we're finding in this lesson is, though the area on each of these is the same, 12 square units, 12 square units, 12 square units, the perimeter is different. It went from 14 to 16 to 26.